All right, welcome to another Forex session. In this session, we'll be talking about head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern can be classified into a reversal pattern. Okay, as you can see on your chart, you can see that the market was going to the upside and it reversed and started going to the downside. Now, I don't want to make up too much theory about the head and shoulder pattern so that you don't get confused. I don't want to make too much theory. Just simple law, simple principle, and you are good to go. Now, this is shoulder one, head, shoulder two. Whenever you see this three being played at, you just wait for the support level to be broken. That is just all. Once you see shoulder one, head, shoulder two, just wait for the support level to be broken. Now, once the support level is being broken, which is what you are seeing at this level, that is not yet enough time to enter. You have to wait for the breakout to consolidate, to form a level of chart pattern. Now, the reason why you have to do this, so that if it's a fake out, as you are waiting for the retracement to form a chart pattern, as you are waiting, the market must have jumped back into the structure to continue to the upside. So that is why you should wait after the break of the support level, wait for a level of consolidation, which is what you are saying, or a level of retracement, either forming a wedge pattern, a flag pattern, or any of those consolidation pattern. Okay, now look at what happened here. I can say this is like a rectangle pattern that was formed. It's like a rectangle pattern. You can see it that was formed. Now, at the break of this pattern is the best possible entry that you can get. Now, the reason why I said always wait for a kind of a chart pattern to break and retest, it gives you confirmation. It gives you confirmation, and it tells you that the market is not a fake out. Okay, that the market is really respecting what it's doing, that is not, there is no manipulation in the market. So you can see we trap the breakout, the retracement into this particular level. We trap it between the support and the resistance level below this horizontal resistance level. Okay, now we're still looking at head and shoulder pattern, but you are seeing how we are also trading rectangular pattern in trading head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so at the break of this pattern is your entry. This is like a 90% confirmation that the market is going to move to the downside. Okay, at the close of this bearish engulfing candle, this is my entry. My stop will be above this level because I always leave my stop to be a little bit higher than the previous low or the previous high, so that I can give room for the market to do what he wants to do. But like I keep saying, whenever you are using a wide stop, always reduce your lot size so that you will not be risking much. Because one of the disadvantages of using a wide stop is that if the market goes against you, your loss will be massive. But if you can learn how to calculate your lot size, know what lot to use and what amount to risk at that particular point, or putting your stop at that particular point, if you can understand this concept, then you can solve that disadvantage. Okay, that's why I say I'm going to give a lecture. I'll give a lecture on that. That should be the last course for this series, so that even if you are putting your stop at this level or at this level, you are still risking the same amount you are supposed to risk. Okay, now if I entered at this level, my take profit should be 1:2 or 1:1.5. Now this is how you trade head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you wait for the structure to break, which is you wait for the support to break, then wait for the retracement, but let the retracement come in form of a pattern. Wait for that pattern to break. Then you can trigger your entry, then your stop, and your take profit. Now, this is the best way to trade head and shoulder pattern. And I tell you the truth, this is the only way you can actually trade this pattern effectively. Now, there are so many theories about this pattern, but I tell you the truth, they are all built around this particular theory, which is this structural theory I just showed you now. So I want you to give it time, practice it, and make the best out of it. This could be your only trading style. And I tell you the truth, you are going to be so profitable if you can master this trading system. Of course, at the beginning, it might not be that easy. It might not be that profitable. That is why you should start with a demo account so that you can learn all your mistakes, correct all your errors before you go into a live account. I've traded this pattern for a long time, and I can tell you the truth, it's highly profitable. Okay, that's it for this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture for another chart pattern tutorial. Have a nice day.